What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you know, my name is Shannon and this is Shannon's Garage. So as you can see behind me, car trailer is on the back of the patrol, which means only one thing. Shannon is picking up another car today. Now, as I said to you in the previous episode, the 740 IL is coming back, so we're going to pick that thing up this morning. So stay tuned, let's get this camera in time lapse and we'll get on the road. Okay, so here we are back at Pickles. As you can see behind me, the 740 IL is now back on the car trailer, and now we're going to head home. Yeah, I'll probably get back into work on the E39 when I get home, but we'll see where the day takes us. For now, happy to see this thing on the back of the trailer, and yeah, we'll get moving. So as you can see behind me, the E38 is back at home. So I've got it parked in behind the spray booth, and that's where she'll sit until the new motor arrives from Melbourne. Now, I did tell you guys I'd give you a rundown on what it eventually cost me. So when I first purchased the vehicle, I bought it for $6,931, including the Pickles fees. Now, as I said to you guys in a previous video, I didn't mind spending that much money if the car was as it was listed as, but it wasn't. So that kind of money on this kind of car with that kind of damage just wasn't worth it, and that's why we sent it back. Now, as I said before, we have negotiated a price on the E38. I eventually got it for $2,336. So hell of a lot cheaper. It means now I can afford to buy the new motor for it, which I already have, and we can get this thing back on the road and use this old girl as my daily drive. So yeah, let me flip the camera around, we'll give you another quick look at it, and then I'm going to get to work on that E39 AC Schnitzer Type 2. We're going to get that door replaced. So let me turn this around and show you what it's all about. Okay, so the black E39 has a damaged door, as you can see right here. Now, that was done at Mannheim Auctions by the forklift drivers, and as usual, they don't care. So I've had to purchase another door, which arrived yesterday, but due to the rain here in Queensland, box got a little bit wet. Now, let's pull this thing open. Hopefully it's the same color as the car. I did buy it as the same color as the car in the black Swartz, and then we'll change out the internals of the door. So the window mechs, the glass, the airbags, and all that kind of stuff, and then get it bolted up. So yeah, let me flip the camera around and we'll get this thing unboxed, and we'll hopefully just put it straight on. So there it is. And by the looks of that, guys, I think we hit the jackpot. It looks to be exactly the same color. So happy days. No need to repaint. We'll just tear it all apart, get this other door off, and get all the parts exchanged and changed over and get it back on the car again. Good as new. Okay, so it's time to get this door off now. If you look behind me, there's a couple of bolts here and here. And then there's also one right there, which is where your wiring harness goes in through the door. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo all those bolts, take this door off, and start taking all the bits and pieces of it. As you can see behind me just there, I already have the replacement door set up on saw stools. So it's just a matter of getting this one off and start taking all the bits and pieces out of it, transferring them into the new door, and then we'll get the new door on. So yeah, let's set up the camera over there and we'll start taking all this apart. Okay, so that was nice and easy. As I said, you got these ones here. They hold the door on. There's your wiring harness. All right, and then you've got this one here, which is your door striker latch. Nice and easy. A couple of 10mm bolts, 8mm bolt for that one, and this one here you just punch out through with a either a screwdriver or a nail punch. So there's one door. And here is the bare shell. So as you can see, I quite literally have to pull everything from this and put it into this. So let's get this going. Alright, so there you have it. One emptied out E39 door shell. All the parts are out. And now, we're going to try and get it all back in here. So, yeah, let's get back on time lapse and let's get this going. That took a lot longer than what I was expecting. But, let's keep moving. Okay, so there we have it. The door is back together. All right, the rest of this I can finish off on the car, so let's get this on. And yeah, I think we'll call it a day. Okay, well, that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. As you can see, the door is on. It is the same color, no damage. So yeah, another big day here at Shannon's Garage. Picked up the 740 IL again, so it's good. Can't wait to get the motor here and get that thing underway, and you know, that's going to be my daily drive. So I will be selling the Mighty Patrol in the next couple of months, so if anybody's interested, hit me up. But otherwise, the E39 door took a hell of a lot longer than what I thought it was going to. Putting it back together was a lot easier than pulling it apart. That's the first door I've ever had to, you know, shell, I guess you could say. So yeah, there was a hell of a lot involved. Hopefully I don't have to do that anytime soon, because that was an absolute pain in the ass. But anyway, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. I'm going to clean up, get inside, start cooking dinner for the boys, and yeah, so make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if this is something you want to continue seeing. And like I've said before, guys, I am doing this full time now, so there will be videos out every 2 to 3 days. I want to try and build up that subscriber base. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't already, go check out my Instagram page. It's Shannon's Garage Australia. Yeah, that's it from me. So you know the drill. Stay cool.